Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canzaro here. Today we're going to be making Insalata di Polpo, which is octopus salad. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. It just came to a boil, right? Full boil. I'm going to kind of turn them around if I can. This is a big beast. Here we go. I'm going to cut this baby up. First thing I'm going to do is cut his head off. Ouch. Anyway, and then we're going to just section it off, each leg, and cut in little chunks like this. Here's the final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.